Alright guys, just want to point this out to you. If you're trying to do a cabin air filter change and you want to remove your glove box door, well, inside here you have this arm mechanism. See that moving there? So all you need to do is apply a little bit of pressure and that arm pulls through. Then you have this little gear in there. See that? Now see how it pops out when you go to pull this through? If that happens, don't panic. So all you need to do is just push it back in with your finger like so, and it'll line right up. Just push it straight in there, just like that. So now when you go ahead and line this arm back up, just go slow and insert it like that. Once you hear that snap, it pushes right back into place. And that's it. Simple as that. So I hope that helps you guys out. Sorry for the bad focusing here. Trying to get the best angle. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.